Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the Electrolux dryer error code EA5 from 2025, you're in the right place. This error can be frustrating, but don't worry, I'll walk you through what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step. Let's dive in. First off, error code EA5 on your Electrolux dryer typically indicates a problem with the temperature sensor or thermal fuse. This could mean your dryer is overheating, which is a safety feature to prevent fires or damage. It's often triggered by issues like a clogged vent, a faulty sensor, or even lint buildup in the exhaust system. If you've noticed your dryer taking longer to dry clothes or making unusual noises, this code might be the culprit. Now, before we get into troubleshooting, safety first. Always unplug your dryer from the wall to avoid any electrical hazards. Once that's done, start by checking the lint filter and vent hose for blockages. A simple clean could resolve the issue. If everything looks clear, try resetting the dryer by pressing and holding the power button for about 10 seconds, then plug it back in and run a test cycle. If the error persists, you might need to inspect the thermal fuse or temperature sensor. These are usually located at the back of the dryer, but if you're not comfortable with DIY repairs, it's time to call a professional technician. They can diagnose and replace any faulty parts quickly. To prevent this error in the future, make sure to clean your dryer's vents regularly and avoid overloading it. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your appliance and save you headaches down the line. There you have it, your guide to fixing Electrolux dryer error code EA5. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and happy drying.